I wanted to talk a little bit about fractional exponents. We're not going to use them in this module. They'll show up in the next module when we're looking at radical functions and such. But we're not really going to use them here. But it's just kind of interesting to know what those are. And we've been talking about positive and negative exponents and what do they mean. So what the heck does a fractional exponent mean? So here's an example of a fractional exponent. 2 to the 1/3 power, or x to the 3/2 power. And that's what I mean by fractional exponents. And what do they mean? And we'll explore it more in the next module. But for right now, you could think of it as related to taking square, cube, and roots and that sort of thing. So this, of course, you know as the square root of 25. You could write the square root of 25 as a fractional exponent, and it would look like this: 25 to the 1/2 power. And you may have seen cube roots. So that's the cube root of 8. That means what times itself 3 times would give you 8 for an answer. Of course, it's 2, right? 2 times 2 times 2. But you can write the cube root of 8 as, the cube root of 8 as 8 to the 1/3 power. So exponents that are fractions end up being things like square roots and cube roots. Nothing to worry about here for this module, and we'll take a closer look at them in the next section, the next module.